Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can unfreeze a Freecash account. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to know why exactly your account got frozen. Now you just need to click here in the top right for this notification icon here on the top right, and here you will be able to see the reason why your account is frozen. Now probably you didn't do verification, like they ask you guys for they ask you for some personal information, just like a verification identity. If they ask you for that, you have to complete that. Okay, so and probably one of the reasons why your account got frozen is because you are using a VPN, and like Freecash is not allowing people to use VPN. Okay, I don't know exactly why they are not allowing people to use VPN, but that's just how it works. I checked their policies and the like terms and service. They said that they don't allow users to use VPN. Just in case that you are using VPN, you are not allowed to do that. Okay, so just because they just froze your account, that means you didn't do something that is really bad. Okay, because most of the time they ban the account completely. Okay, anyway, so to unfreeze your Freecash account, from my experience, what you guys need to do, you want to click here at the very bottom right here. You want to click this message icon here, and here you want to search. Here it says search for help. You want to search for my account. Okay, my account got frozen. Okay, as you can see, my Freecash was frozen. As you can see here, you want to click on it. As you can see, my Freecash account was frozen. Click on it, and here you will be able to see how you can fix this problem. Okay, so as you can see, first, to protect our platform, we use many of the internal indicators that identify potentially suspicious accounts. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you will be able to see in the top this message support. Okay, but if the reason was identity check required, you will see a process to verify. Okay, so you will be able to see this message, and you just need to continue, and after you complete the verification, then your account will have this message in the top that will say your account can withdraw and chat again. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this. Okay, so like I said, identity check, as you can see, required. If your account was frozen, you should be able to spot a verification request in the notification section, like I showed you at the beginning, at the top right of our website, like the screenshot below. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can fix this. Okay, see, if you don't see any notification, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys with other solutions. Let me know in the comments if this works or not. Make sure to drop a like, and see you guys next video.